Hello viewers, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and I remain your homeboy, the only guy who won't do skincare recipe things everybody said. I just love this because I know I love making the women look beautiful. Not only women, everybody in general, but especially I love making the women beautiful because my mom, she's that type also who's into skincare, and I like her. She's about when I've been small. For that reason alone, like I have this passion for skincare. When I was growing up, I have all those in mind doing. Okay, I say if today is your first time coming to this channel, you're very welcome. Copy the link and subscribe. Make sure you share to all of your friends, and make sure also you click on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you share the link also to other people so that they can benefit. And a quick one, I did say I was going to drop videos about powder, but there's this pressing need. When friends talk to you, please, I need this. That's why I'm in here for you guys. So whatever video you need, just feel free and tell me. I will update you about it. You understand? So they be troubling me on my WhatsApp. Please talk about this, talk about it. How can we make shower gel? How can we make a shower gel? Yes, so I just decided, let me just switch and just quickly drop how you can make your shower gel. Real quick, and I will drop all of the measurement. The whole of the measurement, I will drop it on the link below. I will drop it not on the link, I will drop it below, the description below. Okay, and if I have the strength to type it on the screen, I will type it also how you can make your shower gel. Are you getting it? And above that, we say recipe also, and we ship everywhere. We say skincare recipe, we say organic recipe, how you may call it, we say cosmetic. So if you want us to ship for you, we ship everywhere, live and direct. All right, quick one. So let's begin. First of all, I would say, when you want to make your shower gel, what type of shower gel you want to make? It should be in your mind, what kind of shower gel I want to make. I want to make organic shower gel, or I want to make Promixing shower gel. Okay, now some people, they would say I can make a shower gel that really could be whitening or just glowing. Okay, but today we will make a whitening shower gel. Yeah, a whitening shower gel. Some of those shower gel you see, they wrote you can get white within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Those ones just for them to sell. That's how I say. Yes, that's to see, because if you really, those shower gel that you want to make use of them and then you want to get white in 2 weeks, don't believe what they say. You just have to activate it. And how do you activate it? So that's the process that we're about showing you right now. And meaning you need to mix it again, in your own way. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna use a shower gel of your own type. Any of them, like any one of your own choice. You just make a choice of one and good to go. So put it on your mind that you can make use of any of your shower gel. So are you getting it? First of all, before that, you sterilize your bowl. Put on your hand gloves. Don't forget, sterilize your bowl and put on your hand glove. Are you getting it? Now you put I have all of them listed on my computer, so I will be looking at the computer to tell you. Are you getting it? So you put your 250 ml cup of your shower gel. You measure it very well. 250 ml cup of it. Then you put in a bowl. Are you getting it? So, and after that, you measure 1/8, which is a quarter cup of your skin free milk. We'll be using skin free milk also. Are you getting it? We'll be using skin free milk. You use 1.8, 1/8, which is quarter. So you use your quarter cup of that skin free milk. You add to it straight up. When you add to it, then again you use your betasol. Use your betasol, 1 spoon. What did I say? Your betasol. So 1 spoon of your betasol. Then you can use any of those whitening powder, any of your bleaching powder. Are you getting it? You can use any of the bleaching powder. Yes, you just take half tablespoon of it. Yes, half tablespoon of it. Then you add to it. Then you have your half tablespoon of your rice powder. Also half tablespoon of your rice powder, but inside. Then you put your half tablespoon of your Filipino powder, which is the Filipino set. You know, in the Filipino set, this now you have to mix it with the solution. After mixing it, you put half tablespoon of the powder. I mean, half tablespoon of all what you mix for the Filipino set. You put a half tablespoon of it. Remember what I said earlier about the other powder? You know, there's some powder you don't need to mix. You can just put inside your product, whatever you mix in. You can put the powder with that. You know, mixing it with the solution or dissolve it. Yes, let's put it that way. Without dissolving it, you can just put and mix that way. Inside whatever you're making. I get it. But in terms of Filipino Filipino powder, you have to dissolve it with the solution. It always comes with the solution. Are you getting it? So that is that. Then again, you put your Nature Secret oil. You just put half spoon. Half spoon is okay. You understand? You put your half spoon inside it. Then again, you use you can look for any of this your stretch mark oil, either Shalom or eclat or kenacol. All of them, whatever you're gonna put on that, it should be half tablespoon as well. So you put one of those, any of those one, and then again you put your half tablespoon of vitamin E, and then you put your T3 also half tablespoon. Then you do a proper blending. You blend to the extent you know that this whole thing is blended. You know, it's well mixed and blended. Then you put into your in any of the cup or any of your jar you're putting up. You put like, wow, here we go. It's ready. Your shower gel is ready. It's good to go. There's no two ways about it. Now, like with this I just said now, you cannot say to yourself that I've gotten a shower gel that can make me white in 2 weeks. A shower gel that can make me white in a month. Yes, don't just believe on those shower gel when they say this one. Like even those companies know that they only want to sell. That's why they put 10 days bleaching, blah blah blah, 10 days whitening shower gel. Yes, because they just want to sell. Aside that, this is the way you can activate your shower gel. This is the only way you can make your shower gel. And you tell somebody that this one is 2 weeks, they believe you. You say this one is 3 weeks, they believe you, because you've already done what? Activated. So guys, that is how you can make your shower gel, or that is how you can activate your shower gel. So for those of you who know you can go through this process, you can always place your order via the number on your screen. You know, you can always place your order. We can have all this done for you. Our products are very nice. Yes, you can watch our videos, watch our testimonies on YouTube, on Instagram and Facebook. Also our testimony everywhere. Don't forget you're watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Even in our Instagram handle, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, in our Facebook handle, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and we also have another YouTube. That is our mother YouTube that still have the same name, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So for those of you who want to buy organic recipe or ingredient or skincare recipe or cosmetic, you can always call at us, you know, via the number on your screen, and we ship worldwide. Are you getting it? We ship worldwide. So that is that. No, so like for our next video, I will do the video I promise, which for the powder, you know, for the powders, you know, how you can make use of your powders, and also the name and what their importance and how they can make you white, because they are whitening powders. So you have to know more about those powders. So on our next video, I will drop that. So I said, let me quickly drop this one, because it's a pressing need. So that's why I'm in here for you guys. So till we meet again, I remain your home boss.